request will be accepted through the server. Clear? This process will be working on the client and server side model. Clear, guys? And next one is the how the process interacts with the server. This is the user client. We have the DNS and web server. DNS means the domain names. Okay, what is mean by domain names? That is called the last www, and then we are last.http. These are the domain names. We have to education.org is the organization, .edu is the education side, .gov is a government. These are the things calling a DNS, domain names. Clear, guys? First, as a user, I am a user will be giving the request to through the domain name only. I will giving the request. Okay, and after reaching in my domain to the server, the web server will be responding to the user which website you have to reach. Clear? And after that only it will be making to the HTTP response in data files. What are the files you have to see on the in your screen or are downloaded over there? The data files will be saved on the web server. Clear? And after that it will be stored in your in your request. It will be stored in your IP address which website the user will be reaching in a DNS entry. Clear, guys? Okay, user will be giving the request through the DNS. The DNS will be respond through the web server in the IP address. Which IP address you have to reaching over the website. Clear? Now after that HTTP will be stored in our data files. After that it will be makes the request through the to address. For example, if I am sending one letter to someone, we want a from address and to address. Clear? In IP address, you have a to address. The one IP address to second IP. It will be exchange the IP addresses through the DNS server. Clear, guys? Okay. Next one is we'll move on the step by step involved by the how it will be involved by the web server. The first one is URL, DNS. We have to domain name system. We will reaching over there. The DNS server will be look up the address to the web server. Clear? Before I said right, one to address, one from address we are having, right? DNS is a from address. I will typing. User will be type. Okay. DNS. The DNS will be looking up the to address of the web server. Clear? So web server will be responded for in your IP number. For example, in our pin code number. Clear? In pin code number to the web server. Next, the browser will be send HTTP request to the web server. The DNS providing the IP address to the website. The HTTP will be working through the broker work to the DNS server to the web server. These two server in between gap, the HTTP will be working. Okay, it will be communication process will be happens through the DNS to web server. Clear? And after that the server sends the necessary files to the website, and after that we will working through the files website through the working on the DOM, document object model. Okay, and next time we will working on the compiler side. Okay, these are the working process, working steps to involved by the web server side. Here I will giving the second assessment. Clear, guys? Answer this particular thing. Three assessment through in your fill in the blanks. In before that I will giving the two MCQ questions. To answer these particular questions, refer my reference. I will giving the next slide to the reference. To refer that to answer these particular questions to command in my box. Clear? Here I am giving the some references through the website side. Go through each and every references through using in your assessment. Clear, guys? In the refer in us this particular slide, and you have to refer in this website to answer my questions to the comment box. We'll see on the next sessions. We'll go for the next step of the full stack development side. Thank you guys. We will see on the next video.